Hi everyone, this is Srinivas. Welcome to Ameerpet Technologies. In this video, I'm going to explain about how to open a text file in Java to read the data. Just opening a text file in read mode. How to open text file in read mode. In the last video, I clearly explained about IO streams introduction. To work with us text files, we use the class called file reader class called file reader class. So normally whenever you are writing, first I'll explain. So what I will do, I'll type and I'll show you the output. In any location, just create one text file right in your computer. Suppose this is my D drive, consider. In my D drive, I will create one file called input.txt file. Of course, which contains some information, whatever the information, it is in my D drive, the location is. Now, how can we write? Just simply I'm writing the code. From the main I'm writing the class and everything I'll show you practically. First, we need to take the variable of this file reader class. File reader, suppose fr equals to null is nothing but initially I'm taking one variable with the value is null. What is the variable name? Fr. Nothing but it is not pointing to any file. So we should make it pointing to the file. How? Simply creating the object of file reader class. And to this file reader, we need to pass the location of the file. This is constructor. Look at this class name and constructor name, both are same. This constructor is taking the file location as an input in D drive input.txt file. This is providing the path. See if file is present or if file is not present. That also we need to consider. Right here, after opening the file, assigning the value to fr. But one point I'm just writing this one in a try block. In a try block I am writing. Why the reason? File may be present or may not be. Try block followed by the catch block. If file is present, okay, it will open the file and it will assign the address at some location. The file memory will be allocated. That address will be stored into this null so that this variable start pointing to this file. No exception will come. Directly you can give the message system.out.println file opened in read mode. File opened in read mode. Next one, suppose in case exception occurs. Which exception? Actually, to say it's a file not found exception. File not found exception. You can specify like this completely, or we know already. Simply the parent class of all exception classes. Exception. Here you can write the message system.out.println exception came. Why exception? No such file in the location. No such file in the location. This is try catch block. See, whenever we are trying to opening the file, there are two options. One is a success case. Second one is a failure case. If file is present is called a success case. If the file is not present, that is a failure case. The control will come to the catch block and it will give this message is a exception, no such file. Okay, let me show you this thing practically. I'm just opening one IDE, simply edit plus IDE I'm opening. Here I'm writing the Java code, just public class, just any name, code I'm taking, code. Now here the question is, in the main, first we need to create the variable called file reader. Any name, file name you can give fr, file, abc, xyz, it's your wish. File reader, so fr I am giving. Initially it is storing the null value. Next I want to create the object and assign to fr, new file reader, new file reader. I'm providing the path. In my D drive, input.txt file I will create. I'll create. First, I'm opening D drive. In my D drive, I'm just creating one file, new text file I'm giving. File name I'm giving input. Inside that, I'm writing this is the concept of Java IO streams to work with different types of files. Just giving some information, saving and closing. Now it is there and now I'm closing this one. Here, if file is present, okay, file opened. If file is not present, chance of getting exception. So if file is present, I'm giving yes, file opened in read mode. I'm writing. If file is not present, automatically exception will come. It will go to the catch block, exception E, and we are giving the message system.out.println exception or error, anything you can give. Exception, no such file in the location to open. All these classes, IO stream classes, belongs to which package? IO package. So we need to import. That's it. Now I'm compiling the code. When you are compiling, no error, and when you are executing C, file successfully opened in read mode. In case if the file is not there, I'm looking for input1.txt file, which is not created by us in a D drive. So there is no such file. So when you compile and run the code, you will get the exception, no such file. This is the simple way of how to open the file in a read mode in Java. The continuation class, nothing but how to read the data from the text file. I'll explain in the next video. Please continue watching with the next video. Please subscribe all. Thank you.